If you are looking for Black Friday 50% off coffee machines deals, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's check them out. Number 1, by DeLonghi. Our editor choice, now only at £369.99. Number 2, another great product, by DeLonghi. Available now on Amazon only at £84.99. Number 3, by Nescafé. Up to 50% off coffee machines, now available online. Click the circle and get yours. Number 4, by Igenix. Available now on Amazon only at £69.99. Number 5, by Nescafé Dolce Gusto. For more info about these great Black Friday deals, click the circle in the corner. Number 6, by Krups. Save up to £30 on this great 50% off coffee machines deal. Number 7, by Melitta. Available now on Amazon only at £399.99. Number 8, by Krups. Number 9. Get these great Black Friday deals now, click the circle for real-time updates. Number 10, by Jura.